So if I want to apply to an Ivy League school, how do I increase my chances of getting in?
Okay. So as we all know, admissions to Ivy League schools are extremely difficult, extremely competitive, and even more so if you are an international student, right? And no matter how brilliant, how accomplished you are as a student, there's just never any guarantees because there's so many things that go into the application, so many things that can affect the outcome. However, there are general pointers that we do suggest to clients to help improve their chances. The number one thing definitely is to start planning early. So we are not saying that everybody should have worked out a perfect plan like years in advance up to their application, but it definitely is not going to be a good idea to put things off until 4 weeks before the deadline, right? And the reason for that is because there are just so many things that need to be like prepared that you need to get into order before you even submit your application. So the first thing obviously is your school performance. You need to consistently maintain good grades. You need to show that basically you have put your effort into your studies and you have maintained that right over time. You also might want to look into joining competitions like Olympiads or any other kinds of academic contests, especially if you can go for national and international level competitions, because this will definitely significantly improve your chances. You also want to do well on the standardized tests. So that is the SAT or the ACT. And again, this can take like anywhere between several months to a year for preparation. Outside of schoolwork, you also want to demonstrate dedication to extracurricular activities, right? So take a little bit of time, figure out what interests you, what you're passionate about. Find a meaningful activity and really put yourself to it. If you can gain a leadership position within the activity, even better, right? Because leadership experience is also greatly valued by the school. Yeah. And at any rate, I think our goal is to be well-rounded, but at the same time, also to build a personal, like unique edge, a personal brand that will help you stand out among all the other applicants.
That's really good advice. Thank you.